Yo, I got that big forehead. Ew. Ew. I said ew. Wow, this is such an angle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your concealer in a different way. I actually saw this on TikTok, so, you know, I'm obsessed. I spend hours and hours and hours and hours on TikTok. It's an addiction, and I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Honestly, I feel like I've learned so much more on TikTok than I have in, like, school. I don't remember who posted it, and props to whoever posted it or whoever even created this technique. You use less concealers, basically like a less is more kind of thing. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes. And I guess let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by putting on my putty primer by e.l.f. all over my face. I did already prep my face before this, moisturize and all that jazz. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. As you guys know, I don't really use foundation, so concealer is like my go-to to just cover anything. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the technique on one side and how I do it as regular on the other side, so you can see the difference of how it actually really lifts up your look. It gives you like that instant facelift, you know? So on this side of the face, I'm just gonna do it as regular as I usually do my concealer. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Medium Sand. I've heard so many things about this concealer, so I had to get it to try it out. I do have the other Cameo concealer, but it's like a matte finish, and I really didn't like it, but this, oh my gosh, I love. So let me go in with that. And to apply that today, I'm gonna go in with this like flat brush right here I use for concealer sometimes. And I'm just gonna put a little dab on my hand, on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it as usual. And on top of that, I usually like to put on a lighter shade for some reason. It just looks better on my skin. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer, but in the color Medium Peach. And then you're just gonna take your damn beauty blender and you're just gonna blend it out. So that's what it looks like when I blend it out. This is just a regular concealer. And so what the technique really shows us is that you don't actually have to put all this on. I'm gonna go in with the same color, the Medium Sand, and I'm gonna put it here, here, and then alongside my nose right here, and then here, lifting it up. And then I'm gonna go with that lighter shade, just simply because this is like a mix of my shades. It's what works for my skin, but if you have one color, even better. That'll do the same effect. You're just gonna blend it out with your beauty blender. You see how this is like more lifted up rather than this side? It's just like, and then this side's like, ooh. You see what I mean? And this side of my eye is where I have like the most, like the deeper bag. Rather than this eye. This eye's like not that bad, but this one, oh my god, Gucci. This is Gucci bag right here. I can't. But it really actually did something there. Look, it like lifted it up a lot more than like the this eye. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and see what it looks like with all my makeup on. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did my whole makeup, and look, so this side I did the regular application, and then this side I did the technique. Look at it. Do you kind of see like the difference of like the lift rather than like here? It's like slight because I already have like my cheekbones are pretty high, but I actually really kind of like it. It's like less is more. Like I'm not adding so much concealer underneath my eye like I would on this side, like I do regular on a daily basis. But I actually really kind of like it. Like, yes. Yes. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay. Yo, look at my cheeks, dude. Wow. All I have to say is wow. You wish you had these cheeks. Excuse me. Bye.